Mase kamuka lo. Yabo? Your friends are going to sit table. Intoda ngikukhola ukuthi sisinawana mfethu sifoka nomuntu wakho mfethu mase ngiyotshela uThebo bafulalela phela ngithe ngifika lapha ngasemfuleni asithandwa sami wakwethu wena
Usineke mnganakhe.
angikuthanda kabi wena and then masiqeda usuhamba entonjani yomtshela ukuthi
Miss nawe bangani bakho.
oh yes so uzohamba uThebo entonjani bese ngikukhola ukuthi Thebo ngibona ithekeni yakho ukuthi kuhlangana nesisilimo lesisinango mfowethu uyibo mase ngiyabuyena vele ngifike nama lebholeke yabo asimethi njalo Masifutha mfowethu ndani kiphani ngawo wenzani la maseke. Remember the fights? The stick fights. So try finding a stick because we're gonna have a stick fight. No, I don't that. No, I don't know. But anyways, yes, so we're gonna have that fight, and then I'm moving to Bentonjan, Yanangu, Bentonjan. Baby, Masege, and police among my bag, my bag, and then yes, and then from there we're gonna have umshado again. So we say pity zelage lapho again. So we say pity zelage. Ngokabuli. In so ngiyakho ke la, istage sisodwa.
Ngokugcina lokho.
Angisiqala manje siyayibona lento zokuthi awuthami. Umbizi awuthakho nimshiye nina bo guys ahabohlala abangani bakhe. So mabephuma laba shortcut guys, short nothing hectic.
Bale wafanya informal.
Mase zomalala.
Uzolala la. Owami.
Hayibo kahleni bona mina ushabo wami ulala la akhotha ujuice.
Hayi khasha mama nibathanda labafana beni abangenaphi. Hayi manje ke wena. Unoshaku njeni.
Unjenje hayibo kasiyothola ngoba ngisinabafana obathali.
Mina vele ngisifunela umkhwenyana.
Ufuna umkhwenyana manje.
Shey, ubekana labafana beni abangeke benimsindayo.
Awensizwa napha lento wazi lena phela.
Awuyeke lento kazi. Yena yipi ngoba phela ngiyayibona
Awuzethe khona uzobona. Luthi madolwane wami. So sorry msipha khuluma ngikhuluma naye nana intokazi sabona. Phela.
hayi awu usowenzani khona lapha manje
Emhlabeni wonke.
sorry ntokazi njani ma awuthi ngisizwe nani ngile kodwa ngithi mina ngikubonile lapha yana phela ngingathanda
Hayi kuleka mina ekhaya bathi nakhuluma nabafana.
Ikhona inkomo ekhaya ngigcele ngibasika baba ngikubona ukudingana
Hayi ngithindeke ngicela ukuthi
ngiyacela ngiyaphuqa ngiyacela
Uthi ngicela ukhulume inkulumo yakho usheshise manje ngijahile.
ngithi mina ngicela ukuthi unikeze isikhathi unikeze ithuba ngibosazane kangcono ngibona uyintokazi ezothile enisizotha manje ngiyafisa ukuthi ufike uzogcwalisa ikhaya lapha
Hey, uthi ngeke ngimoshela isikhathi sami. Ngicela ukuhamba abantu mama uzosangithethisa.
akusenani-ke ntokazi-ke
Awutsizwa phasakaphandle yini
ayi hey makhehle angidlali indlu yangane yalapha kamthetho ayi
indaba
sabathe ngithi ngiyayishela ngisabathe ngiyayishela makhehle ayala hayi bayala umthetho bayala ayihlangani inkosi phela kodwa-ke yona ngilokhu ngiyizamile ngoba yona ngiyayibona ukuthi hayi kukhona eza nawo
Ayisale la ndoda sisho. Sesana manje. Awuthi wena uthwana nomngaphi, awuthi umngaphi phela manje uyawo. Uyathola lo mngaphi. Ziye mngaphi. Ungibazi phela. Uyiba phela.
imali lapho ingahambi imali mbuzo ukuthi right ngisempilweni
Bambe ngashoni mfana wami. Uthi bambe ngashoni. Bambe ngashoni.
Ulimele ndiyakugeza manje ngikuphela ngikuphela.
Ngishimane endala. Nawe ngikushayela lana utshela ngami. Wena kwawe.
okay chola no phela uyamemeza ukwakhe
Lendaba. Awukumtshela kwenzakaleni ke nami. Yithi. Nangu phela lo mfana.
Ayidawusuka la uqasha.
Namhlanje sisemkhumbane High School eChesterville where I facilitated a drama program khona with Ushwini, yes, Art Center esenanda by Jericho. So I came to Mkhumbane to just help the kids and teach them more about drama and acting and so forth and whatever happens in that world and in that business as well. So namhlanje I came back because I actually showed them that it was possible because I told them that I'm going to be on TV soon. So when I got the opportunity to Uzal, I knew that I wanted to come back at some point. Even when I spoke to Sena, who was helping me, Mr. Mkize, he was like, no, but I think magic because you're on TV, so I need travel, distracting in the school. However, we're going to do a program, and be part of it. I was like, definitely. You don't even have to tell me twice. Just tell me the day and I'll clear my schedule and then you will. So namhlanje ke ngifikile, I got to see my learners, they got to see me in flesh, you know, because now such a long on TV man. So it was such a fruitful journey, you know, kusubabona nje indlela sebekhule ngayo manje. And